Haters. I don't really get that many of you, and so now I feel really special. I have one video that for some reason is my most widely watched and also my most hated. Funny how that works. Today's video is gonna be a special treat for you all, mean comments. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist, you guys. Today you are in for a super special treat. I have really been wanting to do one of these videos for all. Actually, let me correct that. Ryan has really been wanting me to do one of these videos for a while. It is the hater comments. A long time ago, when I first started, I was actually on set and I was tying my Converse, or tying my client's Converse for a photo shoot, and it looked great. I'm like, this is a great idea for a video. I'm gonna show everybody this technique for tying your Converse. Well, lo and behold, it happened to become my most widely watched video. I really just intended it to be something basic, a tip that I give you as a stylist, and it also happened to become my most hated video. If you haven't seen it, you need to watch it. I'll put a link down below. It's really funny. I posted it. It's got 180,000 views. I had another website, the Facebook, called 22 Words. They asked me if they could post it. I got over 200,000 views, 230,000 I think, and 336 comments. And most of them were absolutely appalled at how stupid this video was. So I'm gonna take you through some of my favorite comments, and I hope you enjoy them. I opened it up and I actually reached out to Kelsey, who was the assistant who asked me for the video, and had an awesome laugh. I'm like, wow, these people were like passionate about how much they hated this video. There was a lot of really cute comments in there too, but it was the ones that like hated it so much that made me laugh. I feel like it's like a badge of honor. It was just meant to be like a basic tip and trick. I really just chucked it out there. I was like, this is something cool I know. Definitely not meant to define your style, not meant to be the only way to tie your Converse, just a stylist tip. And that's what I do, I'm a stylist, so I give you like tips and tricks. So anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna read these comments. And before I read the comments and give you a good laugh, if you guys like these videos, remember to subscribe and I will show up in your mailbox every Thursday and Sunday. I have kids and teens videos going on Sundays, and they're really cute and they're doing really well, so I think you'd probably like them. Let's move on with some of my top haters. And first, I would like to make a disclaimer. When I shot this video, sometimes when I shoot videos, I'll shoot a few in a row. Well, I happen to have on another pair of shoes in another video that required no-show socks. And so I just switched to the next video and I kept my socks with me because they were the only socks I had in reach. And like the people that despise these socks, it's so funny. Listen, people, I only had the socks because I was using them for another pair of shoes. I'm sorry, I did not go get another pair of socks. I actually wear socks in my Converse. But anyway, that's the disclaimer. Robin Wiedemanner says, congratulations, this is the stupidest thing I've seen today. She got 300 likes on that comment. 300! I'm not saying that it was rocket science. I'm just giving you a tip. Borrow mates. I've got the feeling she doesn't actually wear sneakers. I wear sneakers every day, I hate to tell you, Boro. That's gonna irritate the crap out of the top of her foot. It also irritated me that she didn't tighten her laces. Her shoe is gonna fall off. 90 likes. My shoes don't fall off. I do actually tie them like that, and the laces don't hurt me. Maybe I've got tough feet, I'm not sure. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, Boro. Okay, Anthony M. Tripp. You're pretty funny, and actually, Anthony, I really like your profile photo. He's got this like big cowboy hat on, this jean shirt. Your shoes will fall off when walking, and the laces are gonna hurt later. People need to get a life, and why did I watch this video? I agree, I don't know why you watched it. Maybe you thought I was entertaining. Anthony, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, Stacy Blackwood really hated the socks. Forget all that mess, and let's concentrate on the fact that she has on no socks. Her feet will kill anyone when they start to stink. And that's nasty. And then she put a little puke face. Stacy, those are legitimate socks. Come on, you work in a retail store. They sell them as socks. They say socks on them, they're socks. The stink comes from the bottom of your feet anyway, and the bottom of my feet were covered, and so were my toes. I love this lady. I like you for your hate comment. Her name is Dione Ray Kingsley Wright. she's super funny. She's got a cute profile picture too. She says, what sort of show is this? I've been wearing All Stars since you were in diapers, lady. Don't tell me how to tie my damn shoes. You know what? I love that you say that you've been wearing them since I've been in diapers, because that means I look young. I'm sure we're the same age, but thank you so much for the compliment. You know what I'm loving is looking at the profile photos of the people that are sending the comments. Sherry Schnepp is wearing a fake mustache and nose in her profile photo. And she says, and what makes her the expert on this? Nothing, in capitals. I would like to debate that. I've been styling people for a long time, including the red carpet. That makes me an expert on how to tie your shoes. I'm just giving you some tidbits. Raul, I'm loving you, man. His job says he's a dweller at Earth. I don't even know what that is. Studies Master of Public Health. Major in Epidemiology and Bios. That's a really big title, Raul. Raul Lopez, he had a funny comment. He says, and this is what happens when you don't get enough folic acid in pregnancy. I have to check with my mom on that. I'm not totally sure. I'm a 70s baby, and back in that day, they told you not to have too many highballs before bed. I'm not sure what happened to me. She might have had one too many highballs. Brittany Thomas, you crack me up, man. She's got a really cute picture of her husband and her black lab. Brittany, she says, put some socks on, you heathen. I like that. I thought it was funny. I've never been called a heathen before. Yvonne Lindsay, why did I watch that? I know how to tie my Converse. This is true, you probably do. But now, you know 2 ways to tie your Converse. How does this need to be a minute-long video? It wasn't a minute long. Actually, if you watch the real one, I think it was like 13 minutes. So dig into that one. Ken, we need to be friends. Ken Batts. He's got a picture of a drum set. My kids play drums. We have something in common. He says the queen of idiots has been found. Right here, crown. Thanks, Ken. I'm feeling the love. Ooh, there's a super mean one. Jalaya Linson. He says, and they had the audacity to caption this video the correct way to tie your Converse. Throw the whole away. It's a little harsh, Jalaya. Let me make a point here, Jalaya and everybody else. I made a video and I never said it was the correct way. And then 22 words cropped the video and retitled it. That was their doing, so you can get after them. Christine DeVita, when you have no life, you start to make videos on how to tie a high top sneaker. Poor thing. And she's pretty too. It was nice of you to say that I was pretty. Thanks, Christine. That's enough. You guys can head to 22 words. I'll leave the link down below. Those comments are pretty darn funny. If any of you guys really want to defend me, you can go on there and give me some love. No, in all seriousness, you guys, whatever it is that your heart desires, whatever it is you feel that you want to do, don't let anything or anybody stop you. They're just words and they really don't mean anything. So get out there and do what you guys want to do and send me links to the new things you're doing and your new clothes you bought and the fun that you're having, and I want to see it. So that's it for today. If you guys like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to leave a nice comment down below. I want to see some nice comments. Show some love, read each other's comments, and give each other nice comments. There is a huge tribe that are part of my channel that are amazing. So just remember to give everyone some love and hit the subscribe button, and I will show up in your mailbox. And I will see you next week.